Hello, hello again. Today we'll be looking at differentiating each of the following equation with respect to x. So the first thing I'm going to do is dy over dx. So I add d over dx to the y and d over dx x to the 5. Alright, when you're differentiating now, whatever the power is, it is going to multiply the coefficients of x. So the coefficient of x here will be 1. So when you take the power and multiply the 1, which will just give us 5, so it will be 5 times 1, write back our x to the 5 and subtract 1 from the power. So 5 times 1 will give us 5x to the 4. And that's it. Alright, let's go to the next one. We have y equal x to the negative 6. So we're going to have add d over dx and d over dx. Show that we're differentiating. Alright. Then we're going to have, take the power here, which is negative 6. The coefficient of x would be 1. Put back our x to negative 6. Subtract 1. So we always subtract 1 from the power when we're differentiating. Equal negative 6 times 1 give us negative 6 x to the negative 7. Alright, that's it for that. Continuing. So we have y equal x to the negative 7 over 4. So we add d over dx here and d over dx here. Show that we're differentiating. Alright, so whatever the power is, we're going to multiply by the coefficient of x. Coefficient of x will be 1, so 7 over 4 times 1. About what we have, which is x, negative 7 over 4 minus 1 from it, which would give us negative 7 over 4 x, negative 7 over 4 minus 4 over 4, which gives us negative 7 over 4 x minus 11 over 4. If you're wondering about this, 4 over 4 is just the same thing as 1. So to make it easier, I change it out. Make the denominators the same, right? Alright, the final one, we have y equal root 5 x to the power 8. So we have dy over dx equal d over dx. Okay, before I even go any further, I'm going to rewrite this before I differentiate it. So this is the same thing as saying x, whatever is here become my numerator, over 5. So x to the 8 over 5 to the power 8 over 5. So I rewrite this. Now I'm going to differentiate. So I differentiate that. The power would multiply the coefficient of x, which would be just 1. Subtract 1 from it, which will give me 8 over 5 x 8 over 5 minus 5 over 5. Change out the 1 to 5 over 5, which is the same thing. So it is 8 over 5 x to 3 over 5. Yep, that's it. Hope this was helpful. Bye for now.